Hello, Paul again here. Same Range Rover I was working on before. Just want to show you the difference between before and after. So this is after I actually cleaned the actual the actual pipes for the intake. That goes to the intake manifold. That goes to the exhaust. See the difference now? It's nice and clean. This is the throttle body. Nice and clean as well. Compared to before, there's so much stuff there. Some of the stuff there I can't even take it off with the brush. It's so dirty that you can't even take it off. So I can only do my best. I want to do one more round of cleaning. This is the first round. And this is the intake manifold. Look at that. Look at the difference between that and before. Look at that. You cannot take everything out, but if you can take at least 90% of the stuff off before you put it on the actual car, you'll be good. I mean, a lot of people don't do it this way. Majority of people just take off the intake manifold, take this off, take that off, and just fit everything back to the car, because that's not part of the quotation. Plus speed, in and out, get it out. But here at EMD, I don't like it. I just treat every car as my car. Even though I don't charge the customer for it, I just charge the customer for the cleaning products. But I just do it anyway, because it's look at that difference. It took me a long time to clean this part here, because I can't even get the brush, so I had to use my fingers to go in here like that, and use my nails. I wear gloves and I try to actually just in there and break it like that, break all the soot off and all this before I actually clean it. And I used to use the tap water and put the cleaning agent in there, and use tap water to actually run it out, clean it, because I can't run it out in the actual parts cleaner. So now I'm going to just dry it and do some final cleaning, and then come up here and clean all that. Alright? Clean those top, take the rags out and clean whatever I can from this side here. But you got to watch out when you clean this, because this is the intake part, so if something falls in, it's going to fall in there, so it's not good. So try your best, just to go slowly, and just use a rag and just wipe it like that, very slow, and then take it out slowly, not too harsh. And then once that's done, install everything back together and go from there. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.